Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me from the biggest truck first. Okay, the first one is a Mobil tanky in Indonesian language, but in English, truck. Okay, now check the next one. Police super motorbike, white color. Okay, express bus, yellow color, a nice express bus, yellow color. How about this one? Mini monster truck, white color. Okay, now check the next one. Green racing car. How about this one? A transportation truck. We can transport any cars to anywhere we want. Okay, how about this Hero Captain America? You can see, but this one is getting old day after day. Hero Batman, black color. How about this one, everybody? Yellow car. How about this one? Green airplane, mini airplane, cute airplane. How about this one? Police car. Everybody, this one is a nice truck, Airdrome bus, white color. Tank truck. Supercar. About this one? Minibus. Okay, after I check a minibus, about this one? Mini airplane. Iron Man. Truck. Everybody, let's move to another one, another interesting truck here. Okay, now I start checking right now. Cute car. Excavator. Truck. I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. How about this one? Garbage truck. Green super motorbike. This one is a racing super motorbike, green color. Hero Iron Man. Mini excavator. Hero Captain America. Now check the last one, a ladder truck. This one is a mini ladder truck, red color. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.